It's September and this place is still not cleaned out. I basically just ran out of time at the end of August with having to go to the Huntsville Ham Fest and having to go to Overland Expo Mountain in Colorado. That basically took up the last 2 weeks of the month. And I probably could have got most of this stuff out of here, but some people have claimed some items and I had to move around some stuff in my yard and my garage. So this is what's left. This cabinet's going to the Hearst Amateur Radio Club. It's got a repeater in it that needs repair. That cabinet is going home in my own networking closet. So that's going there. Mike, K8MRD, is going to be the new owner of this guy. I want to take it to the Belton Hamfest this weekend and give it to him, but he's like, I don't think that thing will fit in my car. Get a truck, son. You live in Texas now. These are wheels for my 78 F-150. Those are 17-inch rims that I got. They're actually Dodge rims. These are cans. These two are 440 cans, and this one is a 220 can. I think I'm keeping these. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep these for future projects. Let's see. These computers. Somebody had told me that they wanted these old computers with the mounts, with the mobile mounts. I don't remember who that was. I get messages. I appreciate you guys reaching out. Some of you comment on YouTube. Some of you send me Discord messages. Some of you send me emails. Those of you who have my phone number might send me text messages. Sometimes I can't keep up. I get too many messages. So if you want those computers, let me know. The one or two of you who reach out about power supplies, I still have 2 power supplies to get rid of. Astron 30, they're either 30 or 35 amp, 30 or 35 amp power supplies. They're at home. They're not here right now. I've already taken those home. This bench right here, this is a rolling cabinet that I bought, or I didn't buy it, I built it to take the Hamfest and put radios on to display at Hamfest. This is a neat countertop, rolling countertop, but I don't have a need for it or room to store it, so that's going to the deer lease and going to get thrown in the fire pit. That'll just be fun. Still got a bunch of these QST magazines here, old QST magazines. I might do something with those. I don't know what. All of this hardline and coax is going to go to Belton on Friday of this weekend. And I'll take a nominal price for it and want to get rid of all that. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that's left. Got some antenna stuff over here. These 2 dual band antennas have been claimed. KD5DK is taking those. I still need to sell that handheld UHF 440 antenna made for like satellite work or whatnot, or something, or whatever. And then there's a couple other items right there. So that is where we're at right now. I'm going to put this video up. I'm recording this video on Tuesday before the weekend of Belton, and I'm going to put this video up to get to. I'll probably edit it tonight and get it posted before I leave for Belton on Thursday night. Be in Belton Thursday night. Be at the Texas Avid Outdoor Overland Expo in Llano, Texas on Saturday. So look forward to seeing you guys there if you're planning on stopping by either one of those shows.